Hi, it's Shelley from Silvery. Today I'm going to show you the solution to our new 4-band puzzle rings. We have the Dainty one and our wide band puzzle ring. Now both of these rings have the exact same solution, so watch closely as I'm going to show you the solution using our Dainty puzzle ring. Now once you take the ring apart, you'll see there's 4 bands that make up the pattern. I just want to show you the difference between the 2 bands, the 2 types of bands I should say. You get 2 bands that are shaped like a V, and then you get 2 bands that have almost a bit of a backward Z or almost 2 V's in them. The 2 bands you want to start with are these 2 V-shaped bands. You want to make sure that they are back to back when you begin. Once you've got them like that, you can pick up the other 2 bands and just let go of those 2 V-shaped bands. Now what I like to do is make sure that I have the one with the most grooves. You'll notice there's these little grooves in the rings. I want to make sure the one with the most grooves is in the hand I like working with. Now I'm right-handed, so I'll make sure the one with the most grooves is in my right hand. Just makes it a bit easier because that's the band you're always going to be moving around. So once you're comfortable with how they are, you can just turn them over so that the smooth edge of those 2 bands is facing you now. Now the next step is to turn the one in your right hand anti-clockwise, keeping it inside that other band. So you just do this. And you'll see that it's actually trapped these 2 bottom bands in a figure of 8. If we just flip it over, hold on to those 2 bottom bands quite tightly, you'll see that these 2 are trapped. The next step is to feed these 2 bands down into that pattern to complete the puzzle. So I'm just going to turn it around because I can see the one with the most grooves, and I want that one in my right hand because it makes it easier to work with. So yes, I can see here there's 4 grooves in this little band and there's only 2 grooves in this band. So the one with the most grooves is the one you're going to feed through the pattern first. So what you need to do is just gently push it down into that pattern, keeping it free of this other ring. So make sure it goes underneath that ring and just fold it down. Then I just like to turn it over because it's easier for me to work with it in my right hand. And you do the exact same thing with the next band. You're just going to rotate it down and fold it in and down. And there you have your beautiful puzzle ring complete.